Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 3. Today we will discuss about data handling. What is data? You know what is data? Data is an information or collection of information. It is called a data. We can express data in many ways. We can express it in words, symbols, through graphs, pictures, etc. Today we will read about pictograph. See, pictograph is made up of two words, picto and graph. Picto means pictorial or picture. So, pictograph is representation of data by pictures. Now see this figure on the screen. You can see a farmhouse where there are many animals. There are ducks, fish, alligators, then buffaloes, cows or buffaloes you can say, and there are some ducks. Now let us count each number of animals. How many ducks are there in the figure? See how many ducks are there. Count the number of ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ducks. Then how many fish are there? Count the number of fish. You can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. How many fish are there? 8. Then how many frogs are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. Then there are hen. How many hens are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hen. And how many cows are there? There are 1, 2, 2 cows. So this information we have written in a pictograph. We have represented each information by a picture. Beside hen we have duck, we have written 7. Below fish we have written 8. Below frog we have written 5. Below the picture of hen we have written 4. And below the picture of cow we have written 2. We have not written data all in words, but we have represented it through pictures. So if we ask that how many total animals are there, so how many total animals are there? You will add 7 plus 8 15 plus 5 20 plus 4 24 plus 2 6. So there are 26 total animals. Then which animal is most in number? You can see fish is 8 in number. So which animal is most in number? That is fish. Which animal is least in number? So you can see there are only 2 cows. So which animal is least in number? You can write cow. Then how many more ducks than hen? There are 7 ducks and 4 hens. So how many ducks are more? 7 minus 4. That is 3 ducks are more than hen. So this is picture representation of our data. Now let us see another example to construct pictograph. See this question. There are written, construct a pictograph with the help of the table below showing the number of animals in the zoo. In a zoo there are tigers. How many tigers? 5. Lions. How many lions? 4. Then bear. How many bears? 5. 3. Elephants, 6 elephants and deer 8. Now you have to represent it in a pictograph. So first you will make 2 columns for making a pictograph. One is this is for animals, and you will write the name of each animal. And see, first you will write tiger, then you will write the numbers, and you will not write the numbers but you will represent it through a picture. So in front of tiger you can draw 5 tigers or any other symbol. You can, if you cannot draw a tiger or a lion, you can draw any symbol, and in this symbol one picture shows one animal. There are 5 tigers, so we have drawn 5 tigers. 1 2 3 4 5. Then lion. How many lions are there? There are 4 lions, so we have drawn 1 2 3 4 lions. Then bear. How many bears are there in the question? 3. So 1, 2, 3 bears. Then elephant. How many elephants are there? There are 6 elephants. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elephants we have drawn. Then deer. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 deer. So this is representation of data by a pictograph. We have represented data through pictures. Now if I ask you how many tigers are there, and you can see that one animal picture represent one animal. So you can count the number of tigers, you can count the number of lions, you can count the number of bears, the number of elephants or the number of deers. This is how we can make a pictograph. Now see another question. A pictograph is given. You have to answer question based on this pictograph. See in this, if you look at this picture question, two things are given. One is the days of the week and one is data is about the days of the week, and this is flowers sold per day, each day. And in this picture, one picture represent two flower, one whole flower. Some whole flowers are drawn and some half flowers are drawn. So one whole flower represent two flowers and one half flower represent one flower. So on Monday, how many flowers are sold? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 full flowers and one half flower. So 4 full flower means 2, 2, 2, 2. Each flower represents 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8. And each half flower represents 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So on Monday, how many flowers were sold? 9. Then on Tuesday, 3 full flowers means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Then on Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full flowers and 1 half flower. So how many full flowers means 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. And 1 half flower means 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. Then on Thursday, 2 full flowers means 2 plus 2, 4. Then on Friday, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Then on Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full flower means 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. And on Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full flowers means 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 and 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 flowers are sold on Sunday. Now see the questions. On which day were the maximum number of flowers sold? So what is the maximum number here? 12. 12 flowers are sold on which day? That is Saturday. So on which day maximum number of flowers were sold? That is Saturday. Then and how many flowers were sold on Wednesday? See Wednesday, this is Wednesday. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 and 1, 11. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and 1, that is 11 flowers were sold on Wednesday. Then what is the total number of flowers that were sold from Monday to Sunday? So on Monday there were 9. On Tuesday there were 6. So 9 plus 6, 15. Then Wednesday 11. 15 plus 11 is 26. Then on Thursday 4, that is 30. Then Friday 10 more, that is 40. Then on Saturday 12, 40 and 12, 52. And Sunday 62, 63. So total number of flowers were 9 plus 6 plus 11 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 11, that is 63. 63 number of flowers were sold in total. Is this clear? By this, seeing this pictograph, you can answer these questions. Now, again look at a question. A toy seller sold toys and wrote their numbers on a paper. He prepared following pictograph of his sale in a particular way. And each picture represent how many toys? See, here it is. One picture represent 5 toys. So toy car were sold. How many pictures are of toy cars are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the key is that one picture represent 5 toys. So how many toys car are there? There are 5. One picture 5, then second picture 5, then third picture 5, and then fourth picture 5. How many toy car are there? 20 toy car. Then dolls. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means each doll, each picture represents 5 dolls. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 6 times, sorry, 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Then aeroplanes, 1, 2, 3 means 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. Then rickshaw, 2 pictures are given and each picture is representing 2. So 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10. Understood? Now after writing this information, we will solve the questions. What is the first question? Which type of toys were sold most? You see in this picture 20 toy cars, 25 dolls, 15 aeroplanes and 10 rickshaw. So which was sold most? That for doll, that was 25 in numbers. So which type of toys were sold most? That is dolls. How many dolls were sold? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. 5 pictures are drawn of the dolls and each picture represents 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 means 5 times 5 equal to 25. So 29 dolls were sold. Then name the toy which was sold in 15 in numbers. So you can see that aeroplanes, there were 3 aeroplanes in the picture and each aeroplane picture represents 5 aeroplanes. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So how many, which toy is sold in 15 in number? That is aeroplane. And what is the total number of toys sold? So total number of toys is 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 10. And that is equal to 20, 20, 25, 45, 45 and 15, 60 and 10, 70. So total toys sold is 70. This you can solve the problem. Now look at another question. See, the number of cold drinks sold during the week is given and the key is that one can of represent how many cold drinks? Sorry, it is books, not cold drink. Here it is written books, you write cold drink. 5 cold drink. Each can represent 5 cold drink. So on Monday, how many cans are shown in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5 times 4. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Then on Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 35. On Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more 5. That is 30. Then on Thursday, only 5. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 25. Then on Friday again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 means 30. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 30. Then on Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times we will write 5. 5 plus 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 5, that is 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Then on Sunday only 2, that is 5 plus 5 equal to 10. These are the number of cold drinks you can get each day. Then are the questions? On which day maximum number of cold drinks were sold? So you can see that on which day the maximum number of cold drinks are sold. That is on Saturday, that 40 cold drinks were sold. You can see on Saturday how many cold drinks were sold, that is 40. Then on which day minimum number of cold drinks were sold? You can see on Sunday only 2. 1, 2 means only 10 cold drinks were sold. On which 2 days the same number of cold drinks were sold? So on which 2 days were the cold drinks sold in the same number? You see on Wednesday how many cold drinks were sold? 6 cans are represented, that is 30. And on which day? Next is Friday, again 30. So on Wednesday and Friday the same number of cold drinks were sold. Then find the total number of cold drinks sold during the week. So total number of cold drinks, you will write 20 plus 35 plus 30 plus 25 plus 30 plus 40 plus 10, and that is equal to 190. So total number of cold drinks sold were 190. Today you don't do anything, just go through the video and revise these questions on exercise 12A and the examples of exercise 12A. Then in the next period I will tell you how to draw pictograph in the copy. Okay, just revise this chapter. Okay.